Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Gmail on your PC. That ensures the language change applies to the correct account. Once logged in, click the gear icon at the top right to open Quick Settings. From there, select See All Settings to load the full settings page. This is where Gmail stores language preferences. You're taking action now so you don't have to hunt later. Make sure the account is fully loaded before continuing to avoid partial changes. You'll stay on the General tab because Gmail places display language at the top for a reason. It affects menus and system messages. Open the display language drop-down and select the language you want. Choosing here changes labels, buttons, and help text. Once selected, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Gmail reloads using the new language. If you want alternate region formats later, you can adjust input or keyboard settings. After saving, confirm Gmail reloads in the chosen language by scanning key menus and composing windows. This verifies the setting applied account-wide. If you don't see the change, clear your browser cache or sign out and sign back in. Cached UI files often hold the old language. If problems persist, check your browser's preferred language list. Gmail can defer to browser language settings. When stuck, try a different browser to isolate whether it's Gmail or a local browser issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.